Welcome to Casual Cooking's channel. Share Shenzhen tour today. Have breakfast first. Many Hong Kong people visit Hong Kong-style tea restaurants when they go to Shenzhen. Many Hong Kong people visit Hong Kong-style cafe when they go to Shenzhen. Go in and find out. This is the breakfast menu. The price is similar to Hong Kong, so why not eat in Hong Kong? Because there are more choices. The environment is clean and comfortable, and the space is spacious. The kitchen is semi-open, so you can see the staff working on it. Most restaurants in Shenzhen use QR codes to order food. Avoid ordering errors and arguments. We ordered the mixed grills on sizzling plate and fried rice noodles with pork chop. Added to drinks with ice. The total number is 104, which is reasonable. The size of the cold drink is almost the height of 2 packs of cigarettes. Ice accounts for about 1/5 of the. There will be a lot more ice in Hong Kong's cold drinks. This is my favorite fried rice noodles with pork chops. There is a big difference between the fried rice noodles in China and those in Hong Kong. Try the pork chop first. Ordinary. My pork chops taste better. But the price is only 30 something, which is acceptable. Try fried rice noodles. It tastes good. The bean sprouts are crispy and the sauce is delicious. The rice noodles are non-sticky and elastic. The price is 30 something, which is cost-effective. This is sizzling chop with curry sauce. With pasta and cold lemon tea, the price is 67. Try the steak. It's marinated steak. Not overly fluffy, still retaining texture and meaty flavor. Crispy surface. Try the chicken steak. Ordinary. Steak tastes more outstanding. I don't try the sausage. There shouldn't be any surprises. Finish breakfast, take you somewhere. It's a specialty store for ear picking. This is Guangzhou Plaza. The cafe is right opposite. The ear picking place is in the building opposite. 10th floor, Shanghai Commercial Building. Ask the store clerk first if they can take a video. There are separate rooms with high privacy. The master uses special tools to clean the ears. The second part is to pour physiological saline into the ear. Use special tools to clean the inside of the ear cavity. I enjoy this process the most. I feel like I'm under the sea. Then wipe away all the water. Finally, use a tuning fork to vibrate the ear-picking rod so that you can feel the vibrations. The whole process is completed. I will take a photo of the price list for your reference. Leave Shenhua building and use the app to call a taxi to other places. From Jingguanhua Plaza to Fanbailing, the fare is renminbi 16. The current location is the junction of Born South Road and Hongui Road. Go to the restaurant opposite to have tea and snacks. Many Hong Kong people patronize it. Go in and see what's so special about it. It originates from Zigan, Guangzhou. In fact, Hong Kong's tea houses all originated from Guangzhou. The prices in this tea house are not affordable. I used Dianping to purchase a set meal for two. The price is 181, high value for money. The waiter made tea for us. This is Luan Tingsai porridge. Fragrant durian cake. Ingredients include egg shreds, fried dough sticks, peanuts, fish fillets, and shrimp meat. 欢迎来到求其主的频道。A long time ago, there were many boat shops selling porridge in Luan, Guangzhou, so it was called Tingsai porridge. Hong Kong's Tingsai porridge has more ingredients. This is crispy prawn red rice sausage. This should only be a half. Not much portion. Try the original flavor first. Taste good. The taste is similar to Julian, but the fried dough sticks are filled with shrimp meat. Let me show you the fillings. Stuffed with shrimp meat. 欢迎来到求其主的频道。Dipped in soy sauce. Dip it in soy sauce, it tastes better. Must try. Try Tingsai porridge. Not many ingredients. How does it taste? Slightly sweet. Tastes very fresh. The shrimp meat. So it tastes fresh and sweet. Tastes good. The ingredients are light and full of fresh and sweet taste. Very suitable for me. Try durian cake. The skin is very crispy and will break if you apply too much force. The filling is durian pulp. But I only smell a slight smell of durian. You can feel the strong durian flavor when you eat it. Tastes very good. Melts in your mouth. This is a must-eat. This restaurant is of high standard. No wonder you charge such a price. Steamed chicken feet with essential pepper in XO sauce. I thought the fried dough sticks on Tingsy porridge were hand-fried dough sticks, but it turned out that this one was. Let me show you its size. Very huge. See what's special about it. Just ordinary fried dough sticks, but very huge. Hong Kong's fried dough sticks are crispier. It is softer. The biggest fried dough sticks I have ever eaten since I was born. This is the shrimp dumpling king. Size is bigger than a table tennis ball. Try its taste. Let us look at the fillings first. Shrimp meat is relatively large, similar to the diameter of the little finger. Very little pork, mainly shrimp meat. There are a few asparagus. The epidermis is very thin. Try its taste. Very fresh and sweet. Asparagus plus shrimp, sweet on top of sweet. The epidermis melts at the mouth. Try chicken feet. Not much sauce. Hong Kong's chicken feet are wrapped in more starch. Try its taste. Slightly sweet, with the aroma of Zhuhu sauce. Taste good. And some spiciness. Not too soft. Stay flexible. Very good. In summary, the fried dough sticks taste relatively ordinary, but they are huge in appearance. I am very satisfied with the other snacks. If must rate them, I think chicken feet are number 1. The second place is shrimp dumplings. Everything else is satisfactory, except fried dough sticks. Today's video is finished. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe and press the notification button. Never miss video updates. Thank you all.